When you need help, you call the police. When the police need help, they call me. I'm Jason Cecchettini.
Delta 7, shuttle around.
Check.
Sam 4, I want to confirm what's the object we're looking for, the bike itself or something else?
That's a bike right there. We got a signal.
South of Broadway, south of Broadway. Westbound.
My company develops tracking devices. I use that technology to catch criminals red-handed. The bait bike was stolen about 5 minutes ago. Activity is en route to assist us. Sacramento Police Department helicopter was overhead and had a visual on the bad guy on the bicycle. There was no way he was going to get away.
I love picking locations. That's my job. Because I know where the criminals are. 99.9% of the time, they end up taking the bait.
I can hide a tracking device in anything. Power tools, motorcycles, iPads. Hell, I can track your mother-in-law, if you like her enough. But my favorite item, the bait bike. When we do a bait operation, you never know what's going to happen.
It's crazy. Shit goes down.
My favorite thing to do is to set up a bait item, go out there with Manny, do surveillance on this item, watch it get stolen, track it to where it's going, and then watch the bad guys get arrested. You've had a bike stolen, I've had a bike stolen.
Shit, we all got shit stolen.
Now let's go catch some bad guys.